Hey, hey, hey. Hope everybody's doing great. As many of you know, May 12, 2020 was our scheduled field trip for fifth grade to Chattanooga. Like so many things that have been planned and now have needed to be adjusted, it's tough and things have changed, but we as fifth grade teachers have tried to make something that really is all about making memories. And so this we wanted to do something that we think will be a memorable experience. And so our fifth grade field trip is essentially a huge scavenger hunt. And so what we're going to do is, if you take a look, we have slides here um, that walk you through what your options are. So the first option is if you want to stay mainly at home or in your neighborhood. Families have different situations and some may not be able to go out and about, whether it be because parents are working or just needing to stay inside for health issues or whatever the case is. This one is mainly choices that you can choose to do that keep you close at home. And all you're going to have to do is take a picture of as many of these as you can. Each one is going to count as a point, and you're just trying to collect as many points as you can for fun. And it's all about the experiences. So you take a look and you choose the ones that you can do. It's not required to do all of them, they're optional. And really, you could take this one and combine it with the next option, which is more of traveling around the community in the coming area. And so you can see these where, once again, you go to this area or this place or find this thing and take a picture of you or your family, and you're going to put it into the slides, into a slideshow. Also, you will have these options here of doing these extra credit riddles. They're also optional. Some of them are pretty tough. And so what you will actually need to do is figure out the riddle and go to the places that are represented here within the community. You are looking for a picture of the emoji, of the Bitmoji here, of each of us, each of the teachers, that's going to be posted like on a window or on the building or somewhere, wherever the case is that this riddle brings you, wherever it brings you, you're looking for the Bitmoji of that person that's connected to that riddle. And so what you would do is just snapshot a picture of yourself next to the Bitmoji if you find it. And so please understand, even though this is something that we want um, to be fun and to do as much as you can, ultimately your parents are the ones that kind of determine how much they drive you around. And some of these riddles specifically, it would be frustrating if you can't find it all, and you're going to all these different places. And so, for instance, Miss May, her riddle is, when you're so tired you can hardly think, this is where teachers go for a morning drink. There are so many options out there. And so ultimately we want to have you try out a few, but if you walk around every place you can that fits these clues, you'll be walking around and driving around for a long time. So just do the ones that you can figure out. They're all optional. You don't have to do them all. And then the last thing is, what do we do with these pictures? You're going to upload them into a slides presentation. And so you really have two options. If you take a picture with your phone, you can upload it directly. You could put it on your Google Drive. You could do this, or upload it directly into the slides if you have this on your phone, if you happen to be doing this. Or you could take the picture and put it in your Google Drive and work on your computer or email it to yourself. However you do this, you just need the image. And to do this, you hit Insert, Image, and then you go. Whether you get it from your computer, sometimes I take a picture, email it to myself, save it to my computer, upload from my computer. If I take a picture and put it in my Google Drive, you can upload from there, or the photos on your computer. However you do it, but this is how it would look. Now, this is three different slides we just kind of combined together. So one of the clues was a favorite spot to relax. And this is me relaxing on my porch. Miss Dominique, an example of a family event. This is her son Nathan's college graduation from UGA in May. of 2019. And then that crazy looking face right there is a dog. And then it's Mr. Westbrook. So one of them is you and your pet. And so what you are going to do is insert a picture into each of these slides, as many as you can. If you'll notice, this first one says, this is the slide you want to share with our class next week. Here's what we mean. You are going to choose one picture, one slide that you want to contribute to a class slide. Miss Dominique and I are going to take this first slide, whatever first slide you have, and we're going to compile and put them all together into a class presentation. We can't show everybody's picture, so you choose the one that you want to contribute, and we'll put it together and show you guys next week. If you notice here, it says this should be replaced with the item that matches your photo. So for me, remember I said my favorite spot for relaxing and me in it. So I'm going to put that. Or it could be, you know, you're an animal and you. What is it? Mr. Westbrook and his pet. You could just say my pet and me and put it up top. And then you go to the next one. And whatever the next clue is, it doesn't have to be in a specific order, but the first slide has to be the one that you're sharing with the class. In the end, this is supposed to be fun. You have Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday really to go out and about. So really don't bug your parents like crazy. Come up with a plan. Be respectful of their time, but maybe you can drive around whatever works for your family. Snap these pictures, put them in the slideshow show. The slides are due on Friday, and so your job would be to wrap this up by Friday afternoon. So in the end, if you can get your pictures taken Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, that'll put you in good shape to put your slides together and then share it with us. Good luck. Have fun. We love you guys. Take it easy. Peace out.